Ritko rero nigo ekiombegia Council of Governors kiaberege okwanira igoro yokonyorwa gwekibesa gokia Ase County. Okwana chinga kichibo igo nigo babire bagoteba buna nigo amadeni agendrete comment kana Ase County nabo igo nigo amagendro agendrete gotigara kagokwama egento babire bakuboria serikali enmono ko ene kingangu chire kubatuka kibesa chiga nechiremo yego chigo ikirania amagendro Ase County chonsi 42 emergency ya Kenya. Arwati uru nigo rwariganirwa no muri kito Harun Ototo.
Abagavana b'Eki County nigo barurege kurega tindibuna nigo abakora imirimo b'Eki County barabese kogenda Christmas batabwate nonyene chiringi ase mebuko yabo ekero ebese genda takobora Ase County na komenta buna nigo egati abakora imirimo batarakana goika emetinye tatobono.
Some counties here are yet to pay salaries for the last 3 months as a result of the delay in disbursement. We note with great concern the delays by the controller of budget to approve requisitions for the withdrawal of funds. This is unacceptable to an institution that's supposed to be facilitative.
Kolengane kiumbe kia bagavana kia COC gose Council of Governors amatuko 30 alebosio nigo chikaunti chirasiekwe onyakibesa chiabo chemetinye 3 ejo chiregwe tan shilingi billion 53 ne chiruta isanemo tichiri chikobwato kwa korwa ase serikali nene limolioka chibethe chyo nigo chire chimotinyi 10 nabo igo omutinyi 11.
The National Treasury, even on the basis of this arrangement, is yet to disburse 63.6 billion for October and November 2024 allocations.
Umunyakiro gobwe kiombe gia Council of Governors Ahmed Abdullahi oyibo igore omugavana bwe county wa Wajir nigo atabuna nigo iramo mocha manene ekeromerobeli ya serikali nene agenderete bo ikiranu wetera ase supplementary budget chinga kimerobeli ya county etuomerete.
Counties now don't know what to commit, what not to commit. They don't know whether to do supplementary budgets or not. And we're saying, is it fair that life moves on for national government because they went ahead and did a supplementary appropriation based on a dollar that has not been amended yet?
Asense muyabo chanu nigo abagavana babata yabuna nigo omubaro omoke wo kweli kenzi muroboli osha ogendrete kwana kiwa kubwatakana no kubora wechibesa.
In many of these counties, we need to get to where the masses are to have them registered. We have governors here who manage counties that are over 50,000 square kilometers. So the question of logistics, the question of fuel, all these things come into play.
Out of the population of almost 60 million Kenyans, only 14,000 have registered. Only 14 million. Out of the 60 million, only 14 million have registered. Of this 14 million 800, 8.5 are new.
Na komenta buna nigo gwetana bilioni kienda echekonya chitara kanwa ne kiombe gia NHIF chibwana leta kubwato kwa erinde ekiombe kia malioko kemsa gia kanwa esire yabo eyuere gwetana bilioni 3 bono.
The total outstanding debts owed to county governments by the defunct National Hospital Insurance Fund NHIF was Kenya shillings 12.9 billion. So far, only Kenya shillings 3.8 billion of this has been remitted, and counties are currently still owed 9.1 billion. We call upon the SHA to expedite the payment of pending claims under the NHIF and SHA.
How can we be able to pay KEMSA if we are still owed 9 billion by the de facto NHIF authority?
Nigo ekiombe kia Council of Governors gia sabirabuna omochando yo gokorwa limolioka na Eki County chiegwe libagalitangani ase emerobeli yonsi ya serikali. Aaron Ototo Nyangiri, Getembe TV.